good if everybody participates. Of course. So, remember guys, if you sell one item, it's the Rocky Movie. If you sell 5 items, the Invisible Ink Pen. You got at 10, the Light Up Ring Stand. Then, at 15, Pig, and you're in the pig race. Super fun. 20, you got the limo ride. 35, those headphones. 75, the Minions. 100 items at Bronco Fridge. Remember,